Welcome back, everybody, to Milo's new adventure. We don't have the other mic on right this second. You can probably tell the difference. We'll try to see if we can slip it on there. Well, let's get this other mic on here. We're out here at the boat ramp, baby. Checking it out, trying to see what's going on up here. All right, guys, I think we finally got set up here. We got everything put together, I think. Hopefully everything's sounding better now. This is Saturday afternoon. It's pretty busy. Not as crazy as I thought it would be, but it's not too bad. Oh yeah, bring it in here, Big Daddy. I've seen these guys out here before. Hope they had good time out there. Oh yeah. I guess they're getting on board here. I guess they're trying to get this boat ready here or something. I'm not sure what's happening. Gonna go get that trailer. I don't know. I guess they're trying to put the top up there or something. I'm not sure. Well, we'll have to just see how it all goes today, guys, here. There's more people than yesterday, but not like one of those really busy Saturdays either. So, okay, I guess the guys headed out of the water. I thought they were trying to start it and take the boat off, but I'm not sure here. Okay. Oh, they're putting the boat, well, they're putting the boat in. Okay, boat in. Boat coming in. I'm not sure what the heck's going on. Oh, I guess that's how they're taking it off, I guess. Huh. Kind of a different way of doing it, I guess. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those guys I've known a long time. Hey, man. Okay. Got going to go park that trailer and boogie out of there. Hope they had fun out there. Okay. Okay. Looks like a cam back over there or something. That's cool. Okay. He might be making his way in. Boat out, guys. Boat out. Take her home, Big Daddy. Guy made it back. They're getting ready to, well, I guess he's leaving again. Getting their stuff together, getting it on out of there. Oh yeah. I have no idea what he got in the water and got, and now he's headed off to the truck again. Boat in there, guys. Boat in. Oh yeah. Ah. Sorry guys. I kept wondering, why is it so going sideways so easy, but I noticed it was loose down there. So, oh well. Boat in there. This boat here is turned around and ready to go. Oh yeah. Okay. Take the, he's goosing it. It's not moving yet. There he goes. It just come off the trailer over there, guys. Trailer out. That's a nice boat. I guess I always say that. A 115 Yamaha. Yeah, it's a little hot here in Florida today, guys. Not like a summer hot, but it is a little hot. Okay. There goes the old shove off. Well, I thought. I don't think he's got it running yet. I don't think the motor's still in the air. Boy, it's a bright day though, very bright. I hope it's not messing up anything. All right. Hey man, I guess I should put the umbrella up on here. That would help. Hey man, hey guys. Have fun out there, man.
Yes sir, thank you.
Don't go hit the river. See what's happening out there. Not sure what's happening. They acted like they were going a couple times and now they're still sitting there. So, okay, let me get the umbrella here. Well, I think he's trying to get it going. He might have got it going. Yeah, he got it. All right, they out of here. Have fun. We go tear the river up. Got the All right, they out of here, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Boat in, boat in. Nice. Orange and black. All right, he made it. Boat in. Bring it in, Big Daddy, bring it in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I backed up, I kicked all them off. I backed up. Hey, zoom in a little closer. I'm gonna pull my ass out.
All right, man, whatever. Okay, they made it. I bet they had a lot of fun. A bunch of people there. I bet they had a lot of fun out there, though. I wonder, I guess they had fishing poles. I wonder if they caught something, you know? Okay, the bass boat's coming in. Look out, Big Daddy all by himself, and oh my, look out. He left the wheel and he got it. Wow. That could have been bad, I would think, anyway. Okay, these guys got all off. They've done Took off all over the place. I remember those days. It was a lot of fun back then. Wow. Gambler boat. All right, here he goes, guys. Hang on. Nice. Tricycle, tri-bike. I don't remember what they call them exactly, guys. Very nice, though. Guys making it back here. I think they're getting ready to bring the trailer around. Haven't seen it yet. Boy, they had a bunch of poles. I wonder if they caught something. They'll go home. They'll go home and have a fish fry and stuff. Wow, that'd be cool.
I think here is correct. I got it.
Did you catch something? Did you catch anything?
Yeah, we got us a few.
Oh, why? All right, good.
We're gonna go home and fry 'em.
Yeah, I was just saying that here. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a couple.
Good deal, good deal, man.
It should have been a lot more, but we got a late start.
You got enough? Have fun, man.
Hey, you too, bud.
Thank you. Very cool. Oh, good. I'm glad they got something. I am glad. Very good. Okay. Yeah, he's out, guys. Take it home there, Big Daddy.
Happy Thanksgiving!